sa mga kapatid sa Iglesia ni Cristo, siya sugo ng Diyos. Tanggap mo, hindi?
Ito ang sagot. Si Ginoong Felix Manalo, it is only his claim na sinabi sa kanya, pero sabi niya, Jeremiah 23:21, God says, I did not command them, no, I didn't speak to them, I didn't send them, but the claim, I sent them, these people, these false prophets and messengers, God has not spoken to them, even in dreams, even in visions, even verbally, because you failed in your understand, when the Ginoong Felix Manalo is not in scripture.
Kasi sila hindi ko
Last 2 minutes.
Any question, please?
Medyo hindi ko maintindihan yung sagot mo eh.
Tagalog yung hindi ko maintindihan.
Okay.
We agree, Tagalog.
You are speaking in tongues. Okay? Kaya hindi ko maintindihan.
Any question from the people?
Please make it a little bit slowly.
Okay.
Okay.
Last 2 minutes.
My question is, sabi mo kanina, 1922 lang, nangalas ka na nanalo ni Tinuro sa isugo. Ang sabi ko kanina sa'yo, yung mga kapatid namin, 1914 pa nang matawag, sinasabi na nila, si kapatid na Manalo nagsasabi, siya ay sugo. Ngayon, sino pa niniwalaan ko? Yung mga nakausap ni kapatid na Manalo o ikaw na nakinig ng chismis?
Sir, but we don't have to tell me. Please, Radyo Revelation 21 minutes because I'm waiting for you. Your question.
Sige.